All right, welcome in everybody. Jason here, TCP SuperSystem. Quick caveat, nothing I share today is financial advice. This is the system I built over 2 to 3 years to help identify opportunity zones in cryptos and equities. The signals, interpretations, the system, it's not financial advice, it's not recommendations to buy or sell, just helping us identify zones of opportunity where we then use our logic and rationalization to make our own trades, which may not be suitable for you. I do not provide financial, legal, or tax advice. All right, with that out of the way, I want to show y'all another recap video from the other day when we posted our decision to cash out of our bitfarms position and move that equity or capital into CleanSpark. So what I'm about to show you is a brief clip from that video the other day explaining, the moment we exited bitfarms, which is around the 204 mark. Yes, that was a little early. It's much higher than that now, like 280 or something. However, that money we switched to CleanSpark has already made significant appreciation, or decent appreciation, and we'll show you why we feel like it has a lot more room to run. So take a look here, and then bear with me. Then I'll pull up the CleanSpark chart from today, which is September 16th, and we'll look at that as well. So stay tuned here just a minute. Things combined, we exited our entire bitfarms position today after that pump this morning, and next question is, where did we put it? And we're going to show you. So CleanSpark, another Bitcoin proxy mining company. Take a look at this. This is beautiful. This was back in July and August. You saw the downtrend here. Some level twos, some great areas to scale in, dollar cost average, if that's a thing that you like to do. Again, not financial advice here, and then you can see that pump. We hit the level 3, and boom, retracement. And now what we're seeing, which is very important, you can see we had this nice little confirmation of a downtrend highlighted by that yellow label. We hit that support, or just below that support, which that is the 100-day moving average. And it kind of went a little sideways in that cloud. Never really like to trade in the cloud because it's kind of indecision. It could go either way against you, so we don't do that. But now we've broken out above that cloud just a little bit, and now we're hovering back around that 100-day and 50-day moving, 100-day and 200-day moving average, which are typically big levels of support. And at the same time, we're seeing all three hot sensors that we have, so short-term, medium-term, long-term, all three are crossing over the midlines. So that's very, very important. That's some significant, well, I won't say significant, but positive momentum for sure. And then at the standard deviation at the top, you can see that fast line. That's the red line here. It's up into the extremes. All right, so that's good enough for now. So you can see also on that video on the far right, that's 1026, I think is where CleanSpark was. So let me pull up CleanSpark today. And again, same view. This is the daily chart. Again, you can see that's when it was crossing above, right in that 1026 range, right in here. And now we actually have a confirmation of an uptrend, and you can see that cloud is transitioned from red to green. And you can see what happened today on the 16th of September was we went from 1031, which is, just under where, or just, we actually got it just a little bit less than that the day on that red candle. So what is it? Let's just give or take 1026, closed at almost a candle high at 1119-ish, 1120. So again, almost up an entire dollar in one day just because we saw what we did. So that's how we leverage the TCP SuperSystem to make significant gains. And that's just one example. Like I said, we bring these to you all the time for free. Again, we do this in both crypto and equity markets. So if you have any particular crypto or equity you want us to run through here, just put those in the comments. We'll be more than happy to make a video. No promises. We do get some requests, so first come, first serve there. So I just wanted to recap that to show you. Now, we still think this has plenty of room to go, and you can see, if you go back and watch that entire other video, we just started talking about this toward when I cut it off, but you can see where that fast red line went in the standard deviation metrics. You can see it went up into those extremes. As of right now, it's maintaining that. and we're seeing exactly what we want to see. The blue line and the orange line are both penetrating higher up through that red zone. Typically, they'll make it up into the extremes as well, and along that path, that price action will continue higher. So I know there's a rate cuts tomorrow, which I have a little contrarian view to that. I actually think we might see a pump down in the markets to get rid of liquidation or leverage, because I think a lot of people are going to be using leverage, unfortunately, to go long, and I think that's going to might be a short-term mistake, but not financial advice again, but just an opinion, just a guy on the internet. But I think you could see a big pump down, liquidations happen before we see the boom higher. But we're going to keep our position here in CleanSpark for the time being. I would imagine as this thing continues higher, we'll likely get some level 1s and 2s and 3s on the red diamonds, which we'll be looking for opportunities to scale out there, and then see where we can put that capital at that time. So again, hope you enjoyed it. Just another good example of how we can leverage this system, and we give it away for free for the time being. So until next time, best trading. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.